I call it? La La Land. Oh dear, there's somebody at the top. Look, he's had enough already. Look, fed up. This is the biggest mall that Mitsui have built outside of, well, anywhere. The other shopping centres they have are in Japan, and they have a Mitsui outlet here in Malaysia down by the airport. But this is the biggest mall in Southeast Asia that they've built. Put a lot of money into it. It's a new Japanese style. That there, as you drive past, it's quite an attractive new sign saying Bukit Bintang City Centre. There's the tallest building in southeast, the southern hemisphere. Oh yeah, there's the old cop station there. So that gives you orientation of where we are. Bukit Bintang City Centre, new LaLaport Mall. Well, do we go up the steps to the light show? Attracting us at the... Oh, it looks like Young's already made a mind up. I was going to go into the main entrance just here. I'm going there. Main entrance, level G. Never mind, I'd better follow Young. Musical illuminated steps. Well, the doctor said get half an hour exercise a day. I think this will be it.
Let's see me. Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Okay, we're at the top. No swimming. It's about 1 inch deep. Kuanriku over there. If I remember rightly, I've seen that before, like furniture shop. Well, it's certainly different. I call it La La Land, LaLaport. We're right up here now. We're used to looking across from our balcony at the cranes, because it's forever building in KL. Ever since I've been here, it's never stopped for a moment. Building, building, building. And here we are now, with the cranes up there. I know what Young will be looking for inside this mall. The food court. And from the, yes, from the other side, there's Times Square, look. And there is a walkway from Times Square. There's the KLCC Twin Towers, Metro, and there's the Royal Shulan Hotel not so far away. So a easy walk from Jalan Bukit Bintang. Still a long way short of 118. Over there, where we live now, my bank building, and there is where I first lived when I moved to KL, Swiss Gardens residence, and our good friends live there now, Marcel and Annalise, although they are not up in that apartment right now, they're somewhere else. Welcome! Japan's favourite Japan. This will all open in February. I love Siam Oasis. Reminds us of the Mao Borneo one. Not Borneo one, that's over in KK. Siam one in Bangkok. Really nice. One of our favourite malls. But at the moment, this is all to be filled later on. One thing's for sure, it does smell nice. I can smell the food. Now we're on that dining floor. Dining. Which one do you fancy, darling? Blue. What one? Oh.
I'll show you how you make.
Oh, okay. We've got to clean this thing. Okay.
You make him nervous.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Go. Thank you. There you go, sweetheart. Woo. Well, this is just one of the dining places, obviously, because it's brand new, it's empty. And so far, not many places here. Namhyang, super nice. And all these places are about to open. I suppose it'll be a lot busier in a month's time. Alrighty. Hot and roll. Burgers and roast coffee. Oh yeah, I think I'll be heading over there. Very, very empty. I see nobody. I don't know. Oi, what's this? Hello, darling.
You want some?
You're not started to eat it yet?
No, not yet.
You're going to? You're going to just keep it, feed it to the birds. Well, we're looking around different places. Congratulations, your grand opening. Okay, guys, what sort of food do you sell?
We sell Penang food.
Penang food
Yeah.
from the Isle of Penang. Oh.
Penang prawn noodle, asam laksa,
Oh, this one
nasi
nasi
lemak.
lemak.
This one, yes. All is homemade one.
Homemade here
Yeah.
by you guys. Okay. And Omar from Penang. Burgers. Oh, it goes around the corner. So this is just one floor of dining as well as others. We're done. Young doesn't trust me. She says, careful, are you capable of filming and going on the escalator at the same time without falling down? Woo! This little phone has got a very limited camera. Seems to be plenty of things for hobbies here and for kids. Games, gaming. And sleep over there, Nitori. Back to Nojima. No dear, I've lost Young now. She went into Toy World and she's so small, they put her on a shelf next to all the other little dolls, and now I can't find her. Ah, more food. Gastro pub. Mr. DIY. Good kids. Jintel. Or Gintel if it's Malaysian, but I think it's Chinese. Looks like kids shops. Oh, there's a Clark shop over there. Sony. Guardian, that's the pharmacy. Looks like there's going to be a big Sony store here. Sushi. Wow, Jeep shop. Watches. More chicken. You cannot have enough chicken in Malaysia. No such thing. It's interesting, but not as upmarket as like Pavilion or KLCC. Pavilion, you walk from the Versace shop to the Prada shop to the Rolex shop, Patek Philippe, etc, etc, and then there's some very expensive $1 million watch shops, etc, in Pavilion. So this is not so upmarket, more average. Somebody obviously didn't stop at the car park quick enough. Toyota Corolla Cross, probably a prize in the competition. This is interesting, which I've seen before in Tokyo. I've never seen here in Malaysia. Sit down, wait for your stuff to go past. Young's found the one she likes, and it's from Borneo, from Sarawak. So we're gonna go in here and see what it tastes like.